Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Play Store not working and the error code is 403. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to open setting, click on setting. In this you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here app management, click on this. In this you can see first option app list, just click on this, wait for some time. Guys, in this you need to search Play Store. You can see here Google Play Store, click on this. Guys, once you have to click on force stop, again click on force stop. After this you can see here storage usage, click on this. In this you need to click on clear cache. Now you can see clear data, click on this. After clicking OK, your Google Play Store data will be cleared. Then go back, then search here Play Store services. You can see here Google Play services, click on this. You can see here storage usage, click on this. You need to do the same method, click on clear cache. Here you can see clear data, click on this. Last option you can see clear all data, click on this, click OK. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Play Store will be working fine. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Play Store not working and the error code was 403. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.